Welcome to the vlog. Okay, we just found this strange cat down here in Alabama. Muscle Shoals. I want to show you. Like, we just found this cat. Look.
She's so sweet, y'all.
I don't trust it. You can
She's
see
really
yourself.
sweet and nice,
Yeah.
y'all. Like, you guys.
Yeah. Oh, flip. That cat just docked. I found it was like, poo. It's like, get out of here. No, we don't want you. Hey, say hi to the vlog.
Hi.
She said hi. Like,
This is amazing.
okay, so, this is crazy. She ate part of our deer meat. She went in our garage and she just ate it. You know what's cool? My grandpa is like, okay, it's not our cat, but he's like, you can keep it. He's like, you can keep it in our garage, and like you can play with it. You can play with it whenever it's out here, and you're allowed to go outside. I was like, oh, that's pretty cool. It's like, at first we were like I had my Razor remote control car out here, and I was like, and I saw the cat, and I was like, I'm gonna shoo this thing away. Like, I stepped out there, and that cat was just in that garage. Like, it was like right over there. Oh my God, it is in the tree. It's climbing the tree. It's gonna get stuck. It's stuck in the tree. You go tell Papa. It's stuck in the tree. Go tell him. Oh, it's going down. Go tell Papa. It's in the tree. It's in the tree. It's climbing down. Good job, cat. Don't. It's making out. Okay. Yeah, you stay. You did it. Woohoo! Where is it? Where'd it go? Oh, there it is. Okay. Yeah.
I have to get her to do what I want her to do.
Okay. So, no offense, but that cat's a little weird. That cat's pretty smart, though. It can go up a tree and it can climb back down. You didn't have to call the fire department. Woohoo! Okay. Well, thanks for watching. Actually, you know what? Never mind. By the way, keep tuned. Make sure to subscribe. Click that like button. And let's keep seeing what she does. There should be a white cat somewhere around here. Come on, cat. Where are you? Hey, say hello. No, don't run away. Oh, the getaway. It's the getaway. Okay, yeah. No. I think it's running away. No, it's trying to climb the tree.
She's my little kitty.
It's the getaway. She's trying to get away. Don't let it get away. Kitty, pick it up. Pick it up. Pick it up. Kitty, pick it up. It's going to go through those holes. Kitty, literally pick it up. Pick it up. It's going to leave. Pick it up. Pick it up. It won't scratch you because no more hand for it. Should we go get more deer? Hey, cat. Cat. Come on, cat. Kenny, grab it. Pick it up. Oh, no. Just cat. Okay, we're friends, right? We're friends, so can't we just go back? Go to Kenny. Pick her up. Pick her up, Kenny. It can't scratch you. Well, how are we going to save it?
She can do what she wants to do.
Don't let it leave. No, bye, cat. Bye. It's going out to the world, the wilderness.
She's not. She'll come right back. Come here, baby.
Oh, no. I think we have a little bit of a problem. Cat's running away. Shh. I'm going to go up behind it and scare it. Shh. Don't say anything. I'm going to catch her. Let's go. Okay, I think we got her. Okay, we have it. The cat's going. It's going back to where it should be. Yes. Okay, she's going back. Okay. She's fine. Kenny, don't pay attention to me, cat. Don't. There it goes. There it goes. Keep going. No, no, you're going the wrong way. No, you're going the wrong way. Yeah, go with her. Go, go, go with her. Yes. Booyah! Dab on it. Oh, well. Dab on it. Okay. Oh, no! Oh, my word, that cat's fast. Oh, it's trying to jump. Oh, it's gonna jump.
God, I can actually be a cat over there.
Okay, don't let it.
She would love me, but that's not.
Kenny, you are. No, don't. Oh, I'm in the mud. I'm gonna get in trouble. Hopefully not. Okay, thanks for watching. Let's hope the cat's. Oh, no, don't listen to me. That cat's gonna run away. Here, look. I'm just gonna. I'm gonna go behind that. Can you hold the camera?
What the heck is he doing, guys? No! Lovely beloved friend! Take this, take this. Take that.
Kenny's leaving. Get out of the road! Uh-oh. No! Get out of the road!
Kitty, run! Kitty! Follow your friend!
It's out of the road.
Kitty!
It left. There it goes. There it goes. Who's he? Hey, say hi to YouTube, man. You're on YouTube. Where's the cat? Where'd the cat go? Hello, darkness, my old friend. I'd like to leave you once again. She's mad. Well, we see you next time. Make sure to subscribe to our live acting. Thanks for watching, and we'll see that cat another day. Bye.